back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well, enjoying your day, staying warm. It's pretty cold here right now. Today we are going to be putting on that adjustable track bar. I powder coated it sky blue like the intake horn and everything else. The reason I went with this adjustable track bar is when I put my rough country lift on, you know, it came with drop brackets for everything, and I want to get away from the drop brackets. You know, I want to buy longer, everything adjustable, everything, because these brackets keep coming loose on me. So last night we were actually up north and going down some roads. There's quite a bit of snow there, and on my way back on the expressway I just have a ton of play in my steering wheel again. So we're about to get underneath it and see if anything's blown out, you know, or what. But regardless, I'm putting this track bar on because I want to get rid of the drop brackets. But yeah, we're just gonna round up some tools right now, and we're gonna go out there and we'll check her out and see what happens. Alright guys, so like usual, my pitman arm's loose again, like normal, and I think I got some play going on in here. So we might need some tie rod ends here soon. Ball joints don't look too bad, but my main focus just for today is I gotta get this bracket off of here and get this old track bar out. It's actually a new track bar. I've went through 2 of these track bars since I've bought in this truck, and I've only put, you know, not too many miles on it. Check this, we'll get going on something here. There is the stock track bar with the rough country 5-inch drop bracket. Like I said, I mean, you know, it's good for if you just want to drop it and you don't really care about the ride, but adjustables are always better because you have better chances of aligning it correctly. And this is stationary, so let's see here. Kind of debating on getting some black paint and kind of painting up top a little bit. Go to the shelf of liquids. Red probably won't do. I think the only black I have is the Brilliant Black. I don't really want to use that because I use that for like body touch-ups and shit. I don't think I have any regular black paint. Oh, what do we got here? Got too much stuff in here. I'll use this. I think what we're gonna do over the winter too is, you know, I don't plan on being here forever. This is kind of just like a temporary move for now. But I'm gonna build just a big workbench across the back. And then I got a toolbox I'm getting, kind of like one like this but bigger. I'm gonna probably put the workbench on that side and then maybe the toolbox over here, or put the toolbox in the middle and then 2 little benches on each side, just so I have somewhere to put stuff. But yeah, probably gonna touch some stuff up with black, and then we're gonna get that track bar up inside of there and get it ready. Oh man, all right, she's in. I'm beat after trying to put this thing on. All right, so we're out driving it right now, and I don't know how I really feel about it, honestly. Like, it's I'm gonna make no sense when I say this, but it's better, but it's worse. So like I don't really have a whole lot of slop in the wheel. Like if the steering wheel doesn't feel loose, it feels tight, but it feels like it just, like if I hit a bump, like my wheel will like I mean my steering wheel's way off now, but when I hit a bump, it's like comes back, but it's like I don't know, it's tight. All right guys, so I drove the truck around for honestly probably a week or so, and pretty much what's happening is I'm getting bumps here like really bad because of the angles of, you can see that the drag link and the track bar are on different angles. So pretty much what I'm gonna end up having to do here is I got to put that drop bracket on for the rough country drop bracket, the one that came with the lift. I got to put that back on. So it's like 30 something degrees out right now. It's pretty cold now. It's starting to snow. So I suited up, got some warm stuff on, and what I got to do now is I got to take, I don't have any room here for nothing. Pretty much what I got to do is I got to take this drop bracket off of my stock track bar, and then I got to bolt the adjustable to this, and I'm hoping that it's not going to be too, it's not going to come down too much, you know. I'm hoping that it's going to be right in angle with the drag link. So we'll I'm gonna let this camera charge for a little bit. I haven't used it in a while, so it's kind of dead, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing taken off of here and then get set up out there so I can put that thing on. All right guys, well, we got the bracket in. You can tell that the angles are, the angle of the track bar and the drag link are a lot better now. You definitely tell that something wasn't centered right just because of the way that that drop bracket went in, but I'm gonna start this thing and let it warm up for a second, and I'm gonna go drive it around the block real fast and see what of a difference there is. I'm kind of nervous though, just because of how hard the bracket went in. I pretty much had to take like a C-clamp and drive the bracket up, but then I had to put the track bar in the bracket first, and the track bar is completely buried, so there's no adjustment on it at all. So we'll tell a lot more after it gets in alignment and see what happens there. Cold start. Warm up real quick, but yeah, the other weekend we went up north after I put the intake horn on, and there was quite a bit of snow up there, and I don't know if I'm 100% happy with these tires in the snow.